Hey everyone. So with our ongoing storm coverage, because apparently we just have crazy ass storms and rivers and cyclones and whatever. Last night we had a terrible windstorm. We're surveying the damage now. So stay tuned to see what is going on. But as we clean up from this storm, we are bracing for yet another storm with some crazy amounts of rain forecasted. So stay tuned. We had really bad winds last night, so while this stupid thing still stands, the cover to the shelter logic does not. So there we go. The car's okay, so small blessings. Alright, we're gonna go check on the road to see if it's clear now, since Brandon's done a lot of tidying up here, so we'll just check it out.
Yeah.
Feeling good about this?
Not at all. I'm not feeling good about any of these storms. It's not natural. Unnatural storms.
Fence fell down.
Well, yes, but how?
They just, looks like the cement block fell off the one cement block, and then it got pushed over and the block is still there. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah.
This doesn't look too bad.
Pick those up, Dad?
I think Mom got it, huh?
Oh.
You want to get it, Shelby? That's fine.
Alright, just don't step in the mud. Alright. Sorry, you gotta take it out apart. Nope. Yeah?
A little bit of a landslide right there. There's already one up there covered in a previous video. The ground's just super duper wet. So here is another landslide. It didn't get into the road, but it's pretty good still. This had some ground cover on it, so that's a little concerning, but yeah, just cleaning up. So Brandon got that reinforced, and like I said, we're going to leave that open, so hopefully it will just stay down in the next storm. And now we're going to go to the top. heard one last night. I started barking like crazy. I thought it was a big one, but
You want to hike up to the top of it?
sure.
We'll take a look.
Maybe you could just throw it across. Maybe not, maybe.
Whew.
You okay? I'll try to do the same. Ow. Oh no.
Ooh,
Oh, you got it.
this is fun.
Oh, you're gonna try to salvage this wood, probably just do a burn.
Like right here.
That's some, looks really rotted.
Really, yeah, this tree is really rotten.
It came from that.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. That's not gonna be easy. This is easy. That one. It's not that bad.
Yeah.
It ain't over.
For real.
We'll come up here in like late February
Okay.
and then clean it up.
Okay. Maybe there'll be like 5 more.
Maybe by then,
Look at how terrible it looks.
we knew it wasn't gonna last, but if we keep getting winters like this, like shelter lodges aren't gonna be for California.
Nope.
You know?
Yeah. All right, well, this is like our 5th or 6th storm video. And it's still not stopping, so
Pray for us tonight.
yeah.
Yep.
So we're gonna end it right here. Thanks for coming around and checking it out, and
Bye.
stay tuned.
Bye.
Peace.